The State House okayed a law expanding Medicaid coverage. It's a big deal for hundreds of thousands of uninsured, low-income Michigan residents, but the Senate failed to give it immediate effect.
24-Hour News 8's Henry Erb is live in Lansing tonight. Henry?
Yeah, minutes after the House gave final legislative approval to the bill here, the bill's most powerful champion, Governor Rick Snyder, met with reporters. He praised lawmakers and celebrated the moment.
Well, good afternoon. It is a very good afternoon.
The governor was pleased and full of praise for members of both parties. He said passage of the Medicaid expansion law was a bipartisan effort that will help Michigan residents.
This was good teamwork because it's about helping Michiganders. Hundreds of thousands of Michiganders will have the opportunity for health care coverage. It's a situation that will also save all Michiganders money in terms of addressing an unmanaged, uncontrolled system with a managed system that emphasizes personal responsibility, wellness, and managed care.
The governor says he will sign the bill when he gets back from a trade trip to China and Japan in 10 days. He says the only disappointment is that the Senate decided to have the bill take effect in March instead of January, which will cost the state hundreds of millions of dollars in federal money. Eventually, 420,000 more Michigan residents will be covered under Medicaid. The governor says they will get health care coverage, and the state budget will save a couple $100 million that can be used for other things. First, the state has to get the federal government's okay, called a waiver. I asked the director of Michigan's Department of Community Health when people can start signing up.
Because we didn't get immediate effect, we know that people won't be able to get a card until probably sometime in March. But prior to that point, we'll get the waiver, then we'll get out information to people.
Avon says people will probably be able to start signing up early next year, even though they won't be actually enrolled until March. In Lansing, Henry Erb, 24-Hour News 8.